Okay, question 19. Which of the following is the negation of the statement, if Dave is interested in, I don't know what that word is, we'll call it homology, okay, then he'll study Latin. Now, to negate an if-then means something has to have happened already, which means it's not an if-then anymore. So if Dave is interested in this, he'll study Latin. Okay, so without even looking, try not to look at these when you're doing the logic statements, because it's kind of better to get it yourself and then see which one matches, because all of these are going to be so similar that you really have to know what the answer is before going in and looking at them. So if he's interested in this, he'll study Latin. The negation is that he's interested in it, but he did not study Latin. Okay. Because remember, a negation of an if-then is a broken promise. Think of this as a promise. We promise if Dave is interested in whatever this word is again, then he's going to study Latin. The only way that I could have lied to you is if we know Dave is interested in this thing, but he did not study Latin. That is the only time that I could have lied to you. So it would end up being B. Okay, and then let's just make sure, because it's not a negation of an if-then is not an if-then. Remember that negations of every logic things we have, or logic statements we have, everything negates to an and except and. Okay. So if-then will negate to an and. So here's an and that's actually it, because that's an or, and these are ifs. So it actually came down to only B or C. But the answer is B. Okay? Dave is interested in this, and he will not study Latin. Alright, that's question 19. Let's move on to question 20.